Sanbonani, boys and girls, welcome to Ulwesine Thursday, and it is the 4th of Untlangulana 2020, which is June. All right, and today we're going to be continuing to do Izinhlamvu nezinhlamvu, as you can see on the slide, and that is phonics. But before that, let's see what you need for the lesson. Okay, for your lesson, uzodinga ibhuku, your line book, ipensela, your pencil, ruler, ibhuku elihlaza okwesibhakabhaka, that is your blue book. All right, make sure that you have all of those things, and then we'll go ahead and start. So, what you're going to do once you have everything that you need, you're going to write the date as usual and the heading next to it, and then you're going to write the phonic k, okay, and Isizulu it's and then you'll put a dash, and next to it you're going to write it with the vowels. All right, so when it goes with the vowels, this is how it sounds. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and then underneath that, you are going to follow with the next phonic, which is k. I know it sounds the same for now, and it's because you haven't heard it a lot and you haven't practiced it, and that's fine as long as you just keep on trying and you keep on practicing. That's okay, we'll get it right. And then once you have written the phonic, you are going to put a dash next to it, and then you will write it with the vowels, and this is how it's going to sound. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Okay, we'll do that again. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. So I want you to practice that, and you can do each of them 10 times. So you will do the k, just the k on its own, and you will practice ka, ke, ki, ko, ku 10 times. So ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. And then you're going to move on to k, and you'll practice that 10 times, and you will go ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. All right, and then once you are done with that, you're going to move on to the next step. All right, I'm sure you know what's next, boys and girls. You're going to write 2 words, one with the phonic and one with the phonic k. Okay, so I have given you an example here, and it's words that sort of sound the same, but they are spelt differently. And I have done that on purpose so that you can see and hear the difference. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. So the first one is cela, and that one is just for the one k, the k. Cela, and that is please. So we'll say ngicela, ngicela uthule, so it's please. And then the next one is the k sound, the k sound. So that is cela, cela. So you can hear the other one is a bit soft and there's more breathing there. If you could see me, I would show you how to put your tongue so that you can actually be able to make the sound, but hopefully soon. So cela and cela. So cela is sprinkle. So when you sprinkle something, maybe you're sprinkling some hundreds and thousands on a cake, or you're sprinkling some water on your friend, or anything like that. So cela. So cela, please, cela, sprinkle. All right. So now you have to write your own words. Please don't stress about it if you don't find a word in the book, in your vocabulary book where you have the Isizulu words, but I am going to ask that you really look for them. Okay, so because they should be there. All right, and then once you are done, we have one more activity, and then you will be done for the day for Isizulu. The activity is on page 57, and there you will see a table, and it has two columns, and on the very top of the column on the first row there are two words that are in bold, and it says Isizulu, that is your Isizulu, and then Isingisi, that is English. So in the one column you have Isizulu words, and on the other column you have Isingisi words. So what you have to do is to write whatever word is needed on the one column. So I'll give you an example. In the Isizulu word, they have provided you with ubanana. So on the other column where it says Isingisi, it's blank. So you have to write the word ubanana, but in English. Right. And then the next one, in the Isingisi column, there is apple, and in the Isizulu column there's nothing, and you can see I've written there iapula. So wherever there isn't a word, you have to look what language it is and then write it in that language. Okay, I hope that's clear, boys and girls, and I haven't complicated it for you. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can send me a message on Teams. You can ask mom or dad if you don't know how, and they can just send me a message on Teams, and I'll be happy to help you. And then you can do the last one. It just says you can place your favorite food on the plate. I should have drawn a piece of cake there because cake is my favorite. So you can just draw your very favorite food there. All right, thank you so much, boys and girls. Do not forget to send me your work. All right. Boys and girls, just a reminder, remember to send your work to me on MS Teams. Thank you. Bye.